can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Hi guys, good morning. So hari ni hari ke-6 kita orang dekat City Tokyo, and then hari ni kita orang nak pergi ke Madrid untuk meeting about trading and then about the Tokyo Fashion World.
Mr. Shah.
Mr. Shah.
Mr. Shah and Sonoko.
Mr. Shah and Sonoko. Untuk apa?
Update kita punya progress dekat Jepun.
And then by the way, semalam kita orang dah jalan dekat city ni. Hari ni baru nampak city ni a little bit live sebab tempat ni sebenarnya tempat working place. So maknanya tempat ni dibuka dan juga meriah pada hari Isnin hingga hari Jumaat. Kalau hari Sabtu Ahad tu mereka akan bercuti lah sebagai tanda weekend.
Apa kabar orang kampung? Lama sudah tak berjumpa. Minta-minta semuanya di dalam sihat sejahtera. Apa kabar orang kampung?
So dia kata ada tak produk? Ada contoh macam ni.
Saya dulu kat Iklim Park.
Hari ni makanan Malaysia tu je lah.
Yalah. Saya go.
Okay, kita dah habis jumpa dengan Mr. Syam.
Mr. Shah.
Mr. Shah.
Dia
gabung machine dengan Syah, dia jadi Syah. Sekarang ni kita dah habis meeting dah, kita dah tahu macam mana nak export everything. Sekarang kita boleh cari makan. Hari ni Izzah nak bawa kita orang pergi makan kebab lagi.
Kita cari murah je ni, tak nak mahal lah.
Betul-betul. So sekarang ni kita pergi balance lagi. Ada 4 hari dan besok it's a starting day for us to go for the big event. So let's go guys.
Jumpa lagi. Atau jumpa tempat lain lah.
Jumpa lagi. Kita orang pusing-pusing.
Alright. Banyak tu satu keluarga.
So hari ni kita beli Ultraman untuk anak buah. Hello guys, so this is the 6th day and then baru je kita orang pergi dekat Madrid tadi and then tengok apa yang sana beli.
Ni untuk budak office. Tengok ni, Pak Is ni.
Okay, ni untuk Kak Long, ni untuk budak office dan ni untuk saya sendiri. Saya beli the tower that resembles Japan.
Tahu apa?
Tempat dia semayang. Jadi dia akan mengingat saya untuk sentiasa semayang.
Kita nak pergi Hard Rock Cafe.
Alright.
Oh ya, dan tidak dilupakan sekarang kita nak shopping baju Hard Rock untuk hijau dengan nut. Go!
The next day.
Apa?
Arigatou gozaimasu. Han toke, mawari no toke.
Okay.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
We have been to 12 countries: Malaysia, Indonesia, Japan, Nigeria, UK, New Zealand.
Citizen Europe.
The following day.
Hi guys, so hari ni adalah hari terakhir kami akan berada di Jepun, Tokyo International Desk. So dekat sini dah 9 hari. Saya dapat cakap Jepun ni sahab.
Sebut
Hantoke mawari no toke. Arigatou gozaimasu. That means counterclockwise. But before that, we are going to
Nani?
McDonald's.
have a breakfast.
Yeah, grab a breakfast.
Betul. To grab.
Also, this one is World Cup basket.
持ってもらって、はい、で、可能性を大いに秘めて。Right.
if I confess, this is gonna be a total disaster. So I cannot confess tonight. So macam tu lah. Ada 3 benda. Tapi tak boleh cakap lah kat sini. Nanti tuan punya badan tengok video ni.
Okay.
It's the final day and tonight we're flying back to Malaysia. So we're done on the second day and we're not going to be here as well on the third day. So wish all of you guys here with Mr. Masa and Yuri all the best. And before that, this is Mr. Yuri and this is Miss Yuri and this is Mr. Masa. He is the best agent and he's the best retailer as well here in Japan. So we give you this haul for tomorrow for you to land in, for you to get a lot of sales, for you to get a lot of resellers again. So we'll see you again later in October next year, yeah? So
Mr. Masa and
Yuri, so beforehand we just want to say sayonara, konnichiwa and arigatou gozaimasu. Kebab shop here.
Chicken man,
Bueno.
not a kebab.
What?
It's a chicken man.
Oh, chicken. Yep.
No kebab.
Okay, now we are in a chicken man here in UNO in Japan in Tokyo. Can I say your name?
Karki.
Kariki. Right. Can I ask you to say something?
Yeah,
You say
please.
malu apa bosku.
Malu apa bosku?
Yeah, wow. He's so good
It's
at
very
saying
good,
that.
man. Oh, malu apa bosku?
There's a lot of people are saying that as well. So now we are in UNO eating this chicken man menu. There's a lot of people coming here as well.
Si, Jizan makan di sini.
So Jihan makan. Wow.
Jizan, Fizoman,
Yes.
Azur Abdul Karim,
Alright.
Wajib Hai,
Mm-hmm.
Aceh Fah Mr. Black,
Okay.
Hafiz,
Okay.
Jihan,
Okay.
Raza Farah,
Alright.
Imam Maimbo,
Alright.
Kamal Adli,
oh banyak gila.
Ustaz Abdullah Khairi, Mr. Naza, Karki.
Izam Fitri.
93?
Izam Fitri.
What is that?
Celebrity.
Celebrity?
No.
Okay, Mr. Izam, say something.
Bukan Bishir.
Tengok tu sembuh. Apa tak? Kedai ni sedap.
Guarantee set up,
Alright.
bro. Guarantee set up.
Cool, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Barai.
By anyone that everyone menggila sulahan.
Yes, so that's the end of our trip.
Bawah, belah ni,
Oh my God.
belah ni. Loh.
Tinggal kat sini.
Bagilah orang.
Kita akan tinggalkan. Hi guys, so this is our last night here. We're going back already tonight and kenapa I punya power bank tak jadi. But it's okay, that is not what I want to say now. So just want to say to all of you guys that watched this video, thank you so much that you guys watched this video till the end of the show. Alright, I am Ashraf signing off from Japan. Sayonara and hope to see you guys again on our next adventure. Maybe
Sayonara Japan.
Sayonara Japan. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Hi. Here we are in the front of the Philippine airline counter and she knows a little bit of the words of Malaysian words, which is sama-sama. So we actually have this song called like sama-sama. Okay, let's sing it together. One, two.
Selamat.
Oh wow, selamat pagi. Okay, so we're gonna sing this song together as well as, okay, 1, 2, 3. Sama-sama. Let's go. Mengejar mimpi sama-sama. Ooh, let's go. That is a very nice song. Thank you so much, Miss. What's your name? Kaori. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay, terima kasih.
Going back now. Woohoo! Everybody, let's go. Yes, everybody say hi. Everybody, hi.
Approximately 4 hours and 40 minutes, and we'll be producing altitude of 36,000 feet. Expect some under.
Oh,
Selamat datang kapal lalu buah memang rendang je. Tak laku lah.